Hey everyone, it's Matt. It is your favorite Canadian American Minnesotan in self-isolation here in Charlottetown, Canada. It is day 5 and today is laundry day. Very exciting. Okay, maybe it's exciting for me, but I think is an important topic for any traveler, regardless of whether you're self-isolating, regardless of whether or not you have access to proper laundry facilities, which I do not in this case. I definitely had to make some trade-offs with this accommodation, and I was fine with that. So when you think about laundry when you travel, it's going to come back to how much are you willing to pack, how are you willing to use your time, what is your tolerance for griminess. I'm a fairly clean person, but I also want to take into account the type of travel that I'm doing, the type of environment that I'm going to be in. So in this case, lots and lots of time in the great indoors. This is a month-plus long trip, but for these first 2 weeks, I'm here in this hotel room. So my goal is to have more than enough changes, mostly of undershirts, undergarments, things like that. I packed a variety of other shirts and pants and outerwear, but my goal was to have enough of the other stuff to get through this portion of self-isolation and not have an overwhelming amount to wash, and then still have enough to last until after I'm out of here. And so I packed 10 days worth of changes. That gives me a little bit of margin at the end. And then here on day 5, I'm not going to have an overwhelming amount to wash because it definitely is a little bit tiring on the fingers and the wrists. So what I did was, there's a stainless steel sink in the kitchen, and I have this awesome product called Sink Suds. And the way that works is it's just a mild but pretty effective detergent. Fill the sink with warm water, with the clothes, with the soap. Agitate the clothes, pretend I'm kneading dough. Do that a few times. Drain the sink, fill it again. Agitate the clothes again. Drain the sink. Rinse all the clothes and wring them out by hand inside a towel. That gets most of the water out, and hang them to dry in the bathroom. Pretty straightforward. And if you need them dry sooner, of course, you can use the blow dryer. The air is also really dry in here, so it helps to have some wet articles to increase the humidity a little bit. When I travel by train, it's also a trick sometimes on Amtrak in the private bedrooms. I'll take a towel and soak it in water and then hang that towel, and it helps with humidity somewhat. So pretty straightforward. And for those cases where, say, an outer shirt gets a little bit from stress sweat, just gets a little bit funky, but not enough to warrant it dead. I have some travel size Febreze, and that'll give it a few more days of traction. And if I'm a klutz and get anything on it, I have a Tide pen, which is always an essential. I'm wearing one of my favorite flannel shirts today. This is from Roots Canada. It was a gift from my sister a few years back. So I'm a happy camper in the clothing department. If you have any better ideas or tricks for laundry, please leave them in the comments below. Like, share this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.